Your Majesty, this is the Lord of the Seven Seas, Gift. At noon in 3 days at Three Kings Reef, Davy Jones will send someone to escort you to the Abyssinian court. Please wear this gown and make sure you get there on time.
Tell him I'll be there at noon in 3 days. On time.
Something feels off. It's been 3 days. We took the gown, pulled off her scales, and now we're getting married here. Marina hasn't come to us. No questions, no tears, not even a messenger. You noticed too, Flint? What's going on? She used to love sticking her nose into our business. Even if I ignored her for 3 days, she'd secretly bring me a fresh apple pie. Did we really make her that angry this time? Please, guys. Today is our wedding with Lola. She's staying away on purpose, waiting for us to go apologize first. She always does this. There's no way she can really ignore us. It's a trick, Flint. She wants to see us panic. Don't take the bait. Don't ruin Lola's wedding. You're right. And her wedding is in 7 days. With that little time, who could she marry besides us? I know she's always been spoiled, but she has never ignored us like this. Something feels wrong. Flint, Lola is waiting inside. We promised to use this wedding and the blessed gown to wash away her bad luck. Are you abandoning her before the ceremony even starts? You're right, Lola needs us more. Marina's just throwing a tantrum. After this wedding, I'll go back to the ship and deal with her. Come on, let's go in and be with our bride. Miss Davy Jones ought to take you today. These past 3 days, Flint and the others have been at the clinic with Lola. You haven't even said goodbye. Do you want to wait?
Marrying Davy Jones means I'll spend the rest of my life in the deep sea. There's still some time before noon. If they come back, I'll say goodbye properly. This...
We'll be together forever! Forever!
I'm Flint Teach, Pirate Emperor.
And you're my emperor.
Lola Vex, do you take the 5 heirs of the Teach family as your husbands in poverty or sickness?
I do!
Flint, Morgan, Jory, Jack, Will, do you take Lola Vex as your wife?
Quit that damn wedding! Queen Anne's rebrech has set her mainsail and weighed anchor! Marina is leaving! What?
What act is this now? Are you playing along with her too, Hans? We all know Marina can't leave us.
It's true! Go back now! This may be your last chance to see Marina.
She's even lying about raising anchor just to force us back. She really will do anything. Today I'm tearing off her mask myself.
Flint, don't go! The priest is waiting for your answer. Let's finish the ceremony first, okay?
Wait here, Lola. Marina has gone too far. If we don't crush her arrogance today, she'll keep tormenting you forever.
Exactly. She needs to learn her place.
Once we handle this, we'll come right back and finish the ceremony. I promise you.
Marina.
Ready, Marina.
One last thing. Now it's done.
Anchor's up. Marina, once you leave, it really is forever. Are you sure you won't wait for them? Not even to see them one last time?
No more waiting. I can't be late for Davy Jones. We leave now.
Marina? No. She really left?
She's wearing that gorgeous wedding gown? She's marrying someone else?
No. No! No! Marina! Where are you going?
Hans! What the hell is going on? Why did they set sail?
They're going to the appointment.
What damn appointment? Today is the day Davy Jones sends for his fiancée. They're heading for Three Kings Reef.
What fiancé? Impossible!
Captain, it's true. On the night of the brothers, Miss Marina announced it before every pirate lord in the Caribbean. Her future husband is the Lord of the Seven Seas, Davy Jones. Nice try, Hans. Marina got to you too, didn't she? What did she offer you to help put on this damn ship? Captain, I swear on my life, this is not an act. The Pursuer is the fastest ship in the Caribbean. Set sail and go after her. It's not too late. See last time. Don't fall for it, Flint. This is definitely Marina luring us away. She made a huge spectacle to draw us out to sea. Did you forget? Lola is still waiting for us to get married.
Captains, Marina really is leaving you forever. Please, go after her!
Lola can wait. Hans, if we catch up and I find out this is another one of Marina's acts, I'll put a bullet in you myself.
All hands, raise every sail! Full helm ahead! Set sail and catch Queen Annan's revenge! Marina! Are you done making a scene? What are you trying to do now? Bored. Bye!
The show is over, Marina. You really went all out just to make us come after you.
I'm going to my engagement at noon. You'd better get off this ship before you make me late.
Engagement? Stop lying. How could you ever marry someone other than us? Exactly. You cut off your tail for us. You think you can really leave? Besides us, who would want a cripple like you?
I'm going to rip the lungs out of you, blind bastards!
Father, there's a limit to spoiling her. This has to be a lie she made up to make us bow first. She tricked you, didn't she?
I didn't lie. My fiancé is Davy Jones. At noon, at Three Kings Reef. He'll come for me.
You're so stubborn as hell! Davy Jones is the legendary demon of the deep. How could you possibly be his wife?
At least make your lies believable, Marina. You think we'd buy that damn story?
Father, why are you going along with this madness? Why help her act out something this ridiculous? You're all fucking idiots! I'm glad Marina didn't marry any of you fools. Enemy attack! Portside cannons ready! Fire! Fire! Get Marina onto the Pursuer! She must reach Three Kings Reef before noon no matter what! She cannot be late! Father! The enemy is attacking! We should stay and fight! My ship is none of your concern! Get the hell out of here! That's an order! Let's go!
Three Kings Reef is ahead. Noon is almost here. Full helm ahead.
Enough, Marina. Father isn't here. Who are you performing for now?
Hard about! Back to Tortaga! We're going back for Lola!
Have you lost your mind? I told you I'm going to my appointment!
Still keeping it up. You're just trying to lure us away from Lola. We're not falling for it.
Fine. If you won't go, I'll row there myself.
Marina! Oh! Oh! My hand! What's happening?
Flint!
Lola!
Even in a life or death moment, you care more about Lola, don't you, Flint?
Tortuga has been lively these past few days, Flint. The whole port says Blackbeard's sons tortured the old captain's precious adopted daughter for a dockside. Not one scale on her body was spared. You attacked Queen Anne's Reveth? So this was a diversion.
A few days ago, you sank one of my ships. One of my men died. As allies in the Pirate Alliance, we can't kill each other, so you deserve a little punishment.
Flint! I don't want to die here!
What do you want?
Aye, Calico Jack. I'm a generous man. Let's settle this privately. One life for one life. I want to know if the rumors are true. Choose one to live, the other.
Flint, save me! I'm so scared! Flint. Flint, when it comes to life and death, who will you choose?
Choose. Future Pirate King. Your bastard father isn't this indecisive.
Let them go!
Then don't choose at all.
So 10 years together, and everything I gave truly couldn't beat one calculated lie. 10 years. I suddenly feel like those 10 years were a joke. Curse, my tale, the engagement, the vows, even my life. To the men I treasured, none of it mattered. But I won't accept this. I don't want to die here, sinking alone at the bottom of Davy Jones's locker. I won't accept this.
You dare hurt my wife?
Hurry, free for a limited time. Click the link below to unlock all episodes.